In this video, we will learn very important techniques of ratio and proportion. You can use these techniques to solve various questions including allocation and mixture. Let us take a brief overview of this video. First, we will solve question using the unitary method. Then, we will try to solve with an alternative method. Next, we will solve the question using common factors. And, at the end, we will learn time-saving Insta short trick. We will also do some practice and solve 2 more examples. So let us start. The question is given here. The incomes of A, B, and C are in the ratio 7:9:12 and their spending are in the ratio 8:9:15. If A saves 1/4 of his income, then the savings of A, B and C are in the ratio of A saves 1/4 of his income. This is a very important point. It means, if income is 4 then savings is 1, and spending is 4 minus 1 equals 3. Ratio of incomes of A, B and C is given 7:9:12, and ratio of spending is given 8:9:15. In place of 7, we need 4, and in place of 8 we need 3. We want to make A's income and spending in the ratio of 4:3. We can better understand the concept by the unitary method. If A's income is 7 then B's income is 9. If A's income is 1 then B's 9/7. And, if A's income 4 then B's income equals 9/7 times 4. In the same way we can calculate C's income also. Alternatively, we can apply above unitary method faster. By this way, first, we will divide all the terms of the ratio of incomes by 7 and the second ratio by 8. I will write all of the respective values quickly. Seven divided by 7 is 1 and 8 divided by 8 is also 1. Now, we will get the ratio of incomes as 1 to 9/7 to 12/7, and the ratio of spending is 1 to 9/8 to 15/8. Here, we got the ratio of income and spending 1 to 1. If I multiply each term of the first ratio by 4, and each term of the second ratio by 3, we can get A's income and spending in the ratio of 4:3. All the respective products are written here. Products of incomes 4, 36/7, 48/7, and products of spending 3, 27/8, 45/8. Next, we will take the differences of respective terms of incomes and spending. Now, we will write the differences here. 4 minus 3, 36/7 minus 27/8, and 48/7 minus 45/8. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Next, you can subtract 2 fractions using the LCM method. I will write here the difference is only 99/56, 69/56. Now, to convert into the whole number ratio, we will multiply by 56. Finally, we get the ratio of savings 56 to 99 to 69. This is the required savings ratio and the final answer. But, this method takes a considerable amount of time. Let us understand the alternative method to save some time. If I multiply ratio of incomes by 8 and spending ratio by 7, both income and spending for A become equal, that is 56. Now, we want A's income and spending in the ratio of 4:3. So, I will again multiply the first ratio by 4 and the second ratio by 3. Next, we will multiply all the respective terms. Incomes 7 times 8 times 4, 9 times 8 times 4, 12 times 8 times 4, and spending 8 times 7 times 3, 9 times 7 times 3, 15 times 7 times 3, and the respective products are here. Incomes 224, 288, 384, spending 168, 189, 315. Now, we will take the respective differences of incomes and spending. Finally, we get savings 56, 99 and 69. This is the required answer. Here, very important point. If we see, all the options are quite different, so we can save some time. Actually, we need to calculate A's savings only, and we can get the correct answer. All the options are different, so we can spot the correct answer easily with savings of A. We can solve this question using common factors also. Let's do it. First, let us take common factors of incomes X and spending Y. So, we can write down A's income 7x, B's 9x, and C's 12x. In the same way, we can write A's spending 8y, B's 9y and C's 15y. Now, it is given in the question. A saves 1/4 of his income, so we can write A's savings equals 7x over 4. Now, we can form an equation using above. Income minus spending equals savings. Next, we will write A's income, spending, and savings. 7x minus 8y equals 7x over 4. To solve the equation, we will move term with variable x to the left and term with variable y to the right. Here, we can get 7x minus 7x over 4 equals 8y. Next, LCM is 4. 7x times 4 is 28x, minus 7x over 4 equals 8y. 28x minus 7x is 21x, so we can write 21x over 4 equals 8y. By cross multiplication, 8y times 4 is 32y. We can write 21x equals 32y. Here, we have a very useful time-saving short trick for you. The coefficient of y is the value of x and the coefficient of x is the value of y. So, we can write x equals 32 and y equals 21. Here, options are quite different. We need to calculate only one term. To make you better understand, I will explain solution with all the three terms. A's income is 7x, and spending 8y. Place x equals 32, and y equals 21. 7 times 32 equals 224, and 8 times 21 equals 168. Now take the difference of 224 and 168. It will give A's savings 56. It is in the option D. In the same way, we can find the correct answer with B or C also. B's income 9x and spending 9y. Place x equals 32 and y equals 21. Here, 9 is the common factor. We can make calculation a little bit faster. 9 times the difference of 32 and 21 equals 99. It is B's savings, and you can find 99 in the option D. Please pause the video and try to solve with C. C's income 12x and spending 15y. Place x equals 32 and y equals 21. 12 times 32 equals 384, and 15 times 21 equals 315. Difference of 384 and 315 is 69. It is C's savings. I am sure you got the correct answer 69, the option D. Now, we will learn an instant short trick. You don't need all the time-consuming calculations. However, these techniques are very useful and you can use in various questions. You can solve this question in just 4 seconds. So, let's start. It is given. A saves 1/4 of his income. So, we will use A's income and spending in the given ratios. A's income 7 and spending 8. Here you can apply short trick and solve the question in no time. The simple trick is, A's value in the option should be divisible by 7 and, or 8. 7 times 8 is 56. You can find 56 in the option D, so D is the correct answer. Let's do some practice with this short trick. The incomes of A and B are in the ratio 5:9 and their spending are in the ratio 11:9. If A saves 3/7 of his income, then the savings of A and B are in the ratio of. Please pause the video and try to solve above question with short trick. This is almost the same question, only ratios are different. Here, A's income is 5 and spending 11. so the answer must be divisible by 5n, or 11. 5 times 11 equals 55. I am sure you got the correct answer, the option C. Let's solve this question with alternative method, and verify the answer. You can pause the video and try to solve. If you find any difficulty, please go back and watch the alternative method again. Let's do faster. Incomes ratio 5:9, and spending ratio 11:9. Now, multiply incomes ratio by 11 and spending ratio 5 to make A's values equal. Then multiply the first ratio by 7 and the second ratio by 4 to establish the required relationship. Write down all the products. Incomes, 385 and 693. Spending, 220 and 180. Now, take the difference of respective incomes and spending. You will get 165 and 513. 3 is the common factor. Divide by 3 to reduce the ratio into lowest terms. And, here is the required answer, 55 to 171. The option C. So, the short trick works here perfectly. Let's take one more example. The incomes of A and B are in the ratio 5:9 and their spending are in the ratio 11:9. If A saves 3/5 of his income, then the savings of A and B are in the ratio of. Please, pause the video and try to solve with a short trick. Again, this is almost the same question as the previous one with one minor change. Here, A's income is 5 and spending 11. The change is A saves 3/5 of his income, so the answer must be divisible by 5n, or 11. In the option B, A is 11. I am sure you got the correct answer, the option B. Let's solve this question with a unitary method, and verify the answer. You can pause the video and try to solve. If you find any difficulty, please go back and watch the unitary method again. Divide the incomes ratio by 5 and the spending ratio by 11. Write down respective values, incomes 1 and 9 over 5, spending 1 and 9 over 11. Multiply incomes ratio by 5 and spending ratio by 2. Write down respective products 5, 9, 2 and 18 over 11. Take the differences of respective incomes and spending. 5 minus 2 and 9 minus 18 over 11. Then, multiply by 11, 3 times 11, and 9 times 11 minus 18. After solving, you will get 33 to 81. Divide the ratio by common factor 3 and you can reduce the ratio into lowest terms 11 to 27. I am sure you are able to notice the difference clearly. In this example, the 5 is cancelled out. That's why the final answer is divisible by only 11. Do you think maths is very tough, and biggest hurdle in your dream career, and problem is your unsolved doubts? Then, we have the best solution. We can make maths easier, faster, and stronger for you. And we can save your valuable time, energy, and money. You can learn time-saving smart short tricks, learn in the most friendly environment, discuss anything without any hesitation, learn anything, anytime. You can better enjoy your learning and life. You can start from scratch and learn all the concepts with idea generation. Join our online course, and come fall in love with maths. You can also learn the most effective exam tips and learning skills that will make your life easier. Our course can help you to learn better and faster. Join one-to-one live class. You can see greater improvements in your mathematical skills and understanding in just 2 weeks. Get selected in first attempt. Success is on the way. Forget fear forever. Insanely simple. Soylent, your dear dreams, dearest to us. You can contact us here anytime. I hope you find this video very interesting and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can help your friends by sharing this video with them. Sharing is caring.